Hey guys, it's me, the Animal Queen here, and today we will be making candles. We'll be making candles. They're really fun. This one is, scent of it is pina colada, which is so awesome and smells amazing. It very, very well helps calm your mind when it's lit and you smell it. We will be using taper candles from the Dollar Tree, some scents. We've got blueberry, pineapple, raspberry. Maybe I'll get some coconut oil out. Then we're going to be using a drain, or whatever you want to call it. I just call it a drain. Food coloring, if we want to get some color, and a jar. Let's turn the oven on, finish cooking it. Everybody, if you are a kid, remember to do this with an adult. I'm waiting for it to turn red. Always move the handle away from you so that way you don't burn the substance inside. And now we wait for it to cook. I will be using a metal spoon to stir. Whoa, that looks so cool. So shiny. We will stir it. It is already melting. It's been like 5 minutes and it's already melting. This is so cool. Whoa, it looks like water. Flammable water. What am I doing? I guess we don't question the things that our minds think. Oh well. Okay, I just found the string. This is very important, and later we have to pull that out in order to be able to actually light our candle. I can show you here. Right here is the old one, and that's where we put that batch of candles. So we have to get that. Fishing for a string. I don't want to put my hand in there. Maybe I should just go grab tweezers. This is not fun. Ugh. I got it. The string has lost the battle. I got the second one. It's done cooking. And surprisingly, it looks a lot like water. Time for watercoloring. We're just coloring and scents. I don't want to use the raspberry today. Today we will be using blueberry and pineapple. Yay! First, the scents. I want to be very careful. I don't want it to have more than a single drop. Come on. Okay, that was good. Now we're gonna do the blueberry. Whoa, it's kind of fast. Oh, whoa, it's purple. That was cool. All right. Next, it's making like a weird sound. Okay, I think I'm gonna do purple. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Next, food coloring. Drop of blue. Whoa, that was cool. Turns out I only have blue, so I guess blue is just gonna have to have 2 drops. Turn down the heat. Time to pour. Nice. Now it must dry. Okay, I'm gonna make this blue paper the outside cover to the candle. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that looks so good. All right, let's put it on. All right, so this is how much it made, which is like half the cup. So we are going to make half a cup more, I suppose. All right. We have added more. And it's created a hole at the bottom for some reason. Why, we shan't know. I was coloring with the permanent marker and I hit the table. So I'm going to show you how to get that off. I use nail polish remover. And I'm just going to... Now I'm going to pour a little on. Whoa. And it kind of just takes it right off. And you swipe through it. And then it's all gone. Yay! And this is the final result. Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment in the comment section if you want me to do a specific prehistoric animal video.